But it leads us back to the discussion we had that if we're teaching our values in school, we will need to pass a bill to enforce, our family values. And that's why I think more than even the family values bill is us agreeing on a curriculum that inculcates these values into our children as they're growing up, so that we don't need to legislate it. And so we'll see how all this goes. And so I'm looking forward to this review conference to come to some consensus on some of these issues.
Ichecha Ghana for na oba mema ore feel like comment na sa subscribe mami me das na LGBTQ insensemi na yeda so ewosu na me kai say 2015 na NDC ewo power no Sam George be gina ho cast video ni wo ho say your constitution ewo Ghana na obia won fundamental human rights na obi human rights dey na say untimi enko tieti so.
We must pick issues which are of necessity to the Ghanaian people. The amount of airtime we have wasted. I call it wasted, not spent. Talking about gays. When we have pertinent issues of water, pertinent issues of power, we have potential petrol prices going up. Look, those are the things which bother the Ali or what?
Everybody, the truck pusher, the shoe shine boy, Kaya.
Akwele who sells Kelewele, or is it Enyonam who is doing anybody?
Bush Canteen.
Look, those are the issues. Beans. They don't care whether the president's friend who published this book is gay. No, they want to have potable drinking water. They want to have electricity when they turn on the switches in their homes. These are the things we must be discussing. How, as a country, we can have consensus and move forward and solve these problems. And you see, for me, these petty issues which score people very cheap political points, which do not last even one day.
Enti Yohan NDC eba opposition and the Sam George Bema na betiso. Ejijina mu so be make sure say yen jintum ewo Ghana ha. Na Ghana ha no say aban bi na wo power e wo sane oye ne niema oni power so won sama oka na sesi NPP nso eko position ube nso omo so won sama omo ba beka anka omo wo power anka omo nka sa na akwakoye ewo Ghana ha sei enti Sam George sesi ya maba power ye hwe asama obeka sane ana omo wo power asama okan na omo position in sama okan e for LGBTQ++ to infinity no na sesi yi na akoye nsem bebre na amanfo na ebo na ado mampanyi dada na ado so sumbo say o make sure say obe sign bill no na akoye nsensem pienkrofo so na oba social media nkwala omumu ade esora no mo ye na ado timi kura ka se na ado etumutumu nti no mpese obe sign uye no so eto nchen a na pokrapo a obeye ne oka oba ba umi abedi echire kura no nkrofo editor again say oyebia ema chese binu kura se ninti no ko wari ama unam social media nkrofo ebisa se nesese ya wanya anya advice na oba abejai oba na onum se na Ghana fo omo epekasa ne emfa no eno na obeka enti yemamu hai na say yenyina ya etwen amafo bebre se omude omu hope ewo omampanyi ade na siso His Excellency John Dramani Mahama omu hope onimu se obaba be sign na chese omukoma atom yem na mamenkan nia omampanyi enso ekaye or say if we are teaching our values in school we won't need to pass a bill to enforce our family values. That's why I think more than even the family values bill is as agreed on a curriculum that inculcates these values into our children as they are growing up so that we don't need to legalize it. Na se so mampanyi o te so anka se obetena na konwa so nkrofo so mu ogidi wonimu so obeba be sign but asama o can you na e can values ni family values ni whatever me person me bisa say and omo ye bi no man ko Sunday school ahụ yes omo man ko Sunday school obi ko Sunday school pa che so no ni Sunday school on fe ni agro na so de ne ho akwa akohye obi yosofo ba oyebi kura chese ne papa ne maame chese osofo na nkasa kro to okra nim se ne ba eyebi osofo ba o na si ade kwa akoshe curriculum ne Bible kramanfo ti omufe mu asam onya adwuma na school curriculum no track or usua akotro na exams keke so be pass so be fail owi a we and I sanke beka sanka boni ni we asio because ye call Sunday school and I say binum so call makalanta a church room niema bebre a ensese wo ye niema ye boni niema ensese niema enye boni ade ese wo ye ade ensese wo nyenso ana ye kosua wo school meboa enti sanka sanema we nyina ntimi mobi nkonko ye sade enti se me ne o mampanyi nya adwo asese ye de share curriculum ni mu a nkola ni sua debi omu besua akola ko obeya obeye enti sesi ana nkrofo de omo re share o mampanyi mahama mu sanka oba be san bill no na se o central U10 aba be kan we dia na ese politicians ese yehu o ma ehwem ye onka se hwefem ahwesoro enti se dua ebebu abo no baka ne opposition no omo ba power pe omo ba ebesisa oma no ase nyo omo kra no omo kan omo be bo oma no fefefe enti sesi ayehwe ne Sam George enso ba be kam because ono na sesi ayehwe no so no man abeti su kenten jijira mu e man ko international nyina no Sam George so wan sorry ametia so ne wo boss wo kan dia ene ye nyina ebetu asi so pa.
But it leads us back to the discussion we had that if we're teaching our values in school, we will need to pass a bill to enforce, our family values. And that's why I think more than even the family values bill is us agreeing on a curriculum that inculcates these values into our children as they're growing up, so that we don't need to legislate it. And so we'll see how all this goes. And so I'm looking forward to this review conference to come to some consensus on some of these issues.
Yo, mesdames, oba memory like comment na sign subscribe mami.